My camera's almost dead, but we're taking a really quick vid.
So this is our video.
And this is our video.
And it's a good video. So
yes, it's a very good
everyone
video.
Everyone needs to watch it.
And subscribe to my videos.
Subscribe!
Over there.
Over there! Yeah.
Over there?
Yeah, it is.
That way, not that way. No, not that way. This way.
Yeah, this way is the way.
Yay.
This,
okay. Okay, yay.
This way is the way to go, guys.
This way.
Not this way.
Or maybe it's this.
Maybe
this
it's both
way.
ways, this ways.
But not that way.
Yeah, seriously, it's not that way because it's this way. It's this way, guys.
Yeah,
seriously,
okay.
just follow us.
Just, yeah, follow. We should flip it if it's not the right way. Duh, we should have just done that. Okay.
Figaro, 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 Figaro.
That was playing in my dad's car this morning, and Hope knew all the words. And my dad was like, see, you should like this music, you know all the words. Oh. We will
Great.
just cut that out. Or like make it flashy so you can't even tell. My thumb, oh my god.
Okay, bye.
Wait, no, it's still recording. We're taking a longer one.
I thought that it was dead.
It thought it was too. Let's make shout outs to people.
Baby. Rachel, I'm giving a shout out to you.
Do it.
Rachel, this one's for you.
I'll get you all like emotional, like.
When we both met, it was a great time. Just wanted to give you this shout out. Love you.
I like to give a shout out too.
Alright, who?
That'd be funny if I didn't say your name.
Okay.
No kidding.
Okay.
It'd be funny if I did. This is shout out to Cheryl. She is my homegirl from back in the day. Oh man. Ooh wee. This is to her, man. R.I.P.
Rest in peace.
Yup. She died.
R.I.P. I thought you were gonna say like MVP or like maybe VIP. Maybe the occasional TIP, but not tip.
What does that mean though?
I don't know. It's better than R.I.P.
No, like you shout out to you because you died.
Not dead.
Okay, the whole point was because you're not supposed to be in the video. That's why I was making a shout out. God, you're so.
I'm so dude. Dude.
I have to pee.
Bye.
Nope. Okay.